how to create LinkedIn profile summary. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to craft an engaging LinkedIn profile summary. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. You can sign in with Google if you want a quick way in, or just use your LinkedIn email and password. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your LinkedIn profile page where all your details like experience, skills, and endorsements are listed. Now, let's focus on the summary section. On your profile page, you'll see an option that says Add a Summary. Click on it, and this is where the real magic happens. Your summary is your chance to tell your professional story in your own words. Think of it as a quick snapshot of who you are, what you've done, and where you're heading in your career. When writing your summary, make sure you highlight your background, key achievements, and your career goals. A good summary balances your professional accomplishments with your personal aspirations. It should also showcase what drives you and what you're passionate about in your field. Once you've crafted something you're proud of, scroll down and click on Save. That one click makes sure all your effort actually sticks to your profile. And that's it. You've just created a LinkedIn profile summary that truly represents you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.